G'day YouTube, Turbo Tristan here, and today we're down at Sandown Raceway again for another Tampered Motorsports race day, track day. Bring your own car, bring your race car, bring your daily driver and run around on the track. I've had a quick walk around already. We've got Alfa Romeos, we've got Silvias, we've got Honda Preludes, which you never see those on the racetrack, especially circuit. We've got Mustangs, we've got AU Falcons, we've got Lotuses, we've got a couple of cars I've never seen before. I'm going to try to get a closer look at those ones later on, but they just look radical. They probably are one of those radical things. Absolutely insane. We've got Subarus, we've got V-dubs, Nissan Pulsars, again we've got the Hyundai Excel gang out in force, the VN Commodore Mang machine at 86s. There's a MG V8, that's pretty awesome. There's a bunch of Skylines, a little Polo GTI, which it's pretty cute, but that's the bigger one, so it's not so cute, pretty tough. Here's the XL boys, gonna tear it up. I reckon those things would be a ton of fun. Cost you nothing, lightweight, don't care if you break anything or bend it, just go nuts, which would be the best kind of racing. M3, the last time I was here, one of those punched into the wall, so we'll see how this one goes. Another Lotus behind me, 86, Toyota 86, i30N Hyundai. A few Datsun 1600s here today as well, which are one of my all-time favorite cars and on my bucket list to own one day. And there's actually quite a few Alphas. I've counted 3 so far, which is rare. You never even see 3 on the road at one time. guys ready for something real different, a bit of a treat? Something you don't usually see at a circuit day or a track day is one of these. So we've got Low Sled, I Love You Mama, with the black cat. We all know I love my black cat, so that's pretty cool. We've got the Panda Express SS Camaro, an M4, Stang and an Evo, all just chilling out together, just doing their thing. So it's important to always check out the car park when you come to car meets, because you never know what you're going to find. I'm up there looking at race cars, and then we've got some beast lowriders in the car park, which is just awesome. I love those. I love going fast, but I also love to cruise, and I love the low life. I just can't get enough of low cars, don't know why. Okay guys, so the GoPro died. So this is going to wrap up the video of the track day at Sandown on Chinese New Year. So Happy New Year to all of my Chinese and Asian friends out there or subscribers. Hope you liked the video, hope you liked the content. It's really challenging to film at a track day because everyone's moving around so much, so fast. There's a lot happening and just trying to get good content, meet people, interview them, talk to them, check out the cars. And you've only got limited areas where you can film from. So apologies if the footage of the cars whipping past is a bit mundane and repetitive, but at least you get to hear them, at least you get to see them. So I thought I'd bring some content out to you guys and just show you what we get up to down here in Sandown. So thanks again. Like, subscribe, share the video. It would really mean a lot to me, and we'll see you next time. See ya.